Here's what to expect from the extra wide suture cart from Trip & T. The cart is designed to mobilize your sutures from your storeroom to the point of use outside the OR or in the ED, so you have everything you need nearby. The cart features 10 total slanted shelves, 5 on each side to hold a total of 90 standard suture boxes. The slant of the shelves keeps the suture boxes in their place and stops them from falling off during transitions or in a chaotic hallway. On either side of the cart is a built-in, easy-to-grip handle to assist in transport. Directly beneath the slanted shelves is a larger flat shelf where you can store additional sutures, tools, or other supplies. Further down on the cart is a large bulk item storage area for even more storage space. This cart sits on 4 durable casters that allow for smooth transport. The front 2 casters are lockable to keep your cart exactly where you need it. The design of the entire cart is made to be very open, allowing ample use of visual control, eliminating the risk of running out of supplies. This product is made of a corrosion-resistant, non-metal high-density polyethylene plastic, which makes it durable and easy to clean. This cart will never rust and can withstand a multitude of acids and alkalis. We proudly make this product here in the United States, and we back it with our lifetime warranty, making it a perfect partner for years to come. And that's how you can fight disorganization with the extra wide suture cart from Trip & T. Visit tripnt.com to learn more.